that's a hook, right? So you had already said there's something going on that you wanted me to be aware of, and I called you back. There's no need to get my opinion, because get my opinion, that's like if this was jiu-jitsu, get your opinion is a takedown, right? Just like a double leg or a single leg takedown. But there's something going on that every single sales coach is having to deal with right now, especially as we enter into summer. I just want to make sure you are aware of what's happening. That's also a takedown. Either way, when I call you back, I'm laying on my back on the ground. So you're going to move into mount or side control. That is, you're going to give the insight, and then you're going to say, just out of curiosity, how are you dealing with that? Right? So we want to move. Once somebody calls us back, we don't need to say there's something I want to get your opinion on anymore. We can go right into the insight. So you want to make sure that your insight ends in, how are you dealing with that? Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.